in this tutorial we want to design this logo here using quarter circles and a perfect square. So we just want to use these two geometric figures to design things. We are using them as building blocks in Inkscape. I'm using Inkscape 1.0. So we'll start by going for our circle tool, and then we go to Shift Control so that we get a perfect circle. Unfortunately, I already drew the quarter circle, so I have it, but I shift it back because you will be having this. And then for you to get a quarter circle, go to Control and then touch here and move 6 times. Each move is 15 degrees, so 6 times 15, 90 degrees. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get this. If you are doing, I'm lucky that when I was doing it stayed here, but sometimes if you are doing and you are still not getting a quarter circle and this it chooses this, come back and choose this. When this is chosen, you will get the quarter circle. So now we have our quarter circle. We would then want to we copy, we select it, and then say go to edit and do copy. We just want it to be in the clip box for the time being. And then we now go for our rectangle square tool, and then we go to Shift Control. We want to draw a perfect square, but we want the square to have the same width like this circle, or the same size more or less. So with this selected, go to edit and then go to paste size, so that is the same. Now we have we need we'll be needing not only this quadrant of the circle, we'll be needing this quadrant, this quadrant, and this quadrant. So we can easily get those quadrants by just going to right clicking. Let's do a duplicate. Let's give the duplicate a different color, and then we flip it horizontally to get this one here. Now we can also do a duplicate again, and then we flip it vertically. Let's give it a different color. Oh, okay, one thing I forgot, I want to use go to view and then go to swatches, because I want to use swatches here, because last time I did a video on swatches. So now mine, I have something selected, but we are going to use the bootstrap 5. So you go here and choose bootstrap 5. In case you open it and it's like this, don't get scared, okay? Or it's even like this and like this. All you have to do is that you extend this and extend that a bit, and then go here and choose bootstrap 5. Now we would be using some of these colors, so for it to go quicker. So this, what we flipped, yes, let's give it a different color just for visibility. Now we are not coloring anything. Now the next thing is I will do a duplicate of this and flip it like this, so that we have, let me give this a different color so we can identify them differently. Now these are our building blocks that we are going to use to design. You can use this to design many things, but for me, I just chose to design full or fan or whatever. So we start by picking doing a duplicate of this, and then we can place it here. And then let's I need one of this now, so I do a duplicate of it, and then I place it here. Now I need 3 of these, so I can just come here and then do duplicate, I bring it here. I do another duplicate, I bring it here. I do my last duplicate for this, and then I bring it here, and then I do another duplicate and I put it here. Let's give it different colors so we can identify already. So I colored this, I just chose these shades. So this was given this, we give it this color, we give this color, we give this color, we give this color. I mean, it looks like, and then let's give this maybe yeah, we continue with the thing. Oh no, this was it, this color, right? And then we place this here, and then we go on and do our U. So the U, I also pick my I do a duplicate of this, bring it here, and then duplicate, put here. I do another duplicate and place here. We need 3, yes. Okay, maybe I select this and then do a duplicate and place it here so that I finish quicker. Let's see here. Now we will need one of these, so I come here and do a duplicate, and then I bring it here, and then I do a duplicate of this and I bring it here, there, this. Now I can move it here, then I do another duplicate and then I bring it. Oh, we don't need even a different duplicate anyway. I think we are good because we have no, that's not it. Sorry, actually this also doesn't look bad though, but no, I would do a duplicate of this, duplicate, and bring it here. Now let's give our colors. I chose shades of blue, so we can do this, we do that, we do this, we do 1 2 3 4, go to the 4th, this is the 5th, this is the 5th, right? And then we go to the 6th. So we just give them the shades. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this will be this. I go up here and start from here. So it's 1 and 2 and 3. So we've got all the I think this should be this, so there's a bit of contrast. So this is how you can design something using only as a perfect square and a quarter of a circle. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and please like it if it helped you in any way. Thank you for watching and please come again. Bye.